G'day there, I'm Rose Jacobs here with you for Kalkinemedia. In this video, we're going to look at the best saving strategies while preparing for any natural disaster. But first, make sure you do press that bell icon for all of the very latest updates right here from Kalkinemedia. Modern financial planners often ignore traditional saving instruments like the certificate of deposit, which come with guaranteed returns over a fixed period of time, although they may look attractive when compared to relatively riskier options like stocks or the new age volatile assets like cryptocurrencies. The stock market has rewarded most backers over the last 1.5 years. The S&P and TSX Composite Index, which is the benchmark of the Canadian stock market, has returned over 20% on a year-to-date basis. The one-year return of the index is over 35% as of now. It is likely that the index will end the year 2021 with the same momentum. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, have given mixed results. The main crypto investment strategy is timing. If someone had invested in Bitcoin on January 1st, 2021, it could have returned over 100% in less than 4 months. However, after mid-April 2021, Bitcoin lost value and at one point was priced at below US $30,000 in July 2021. And now let's talk about the best strategy to invest money. It may be rewarding to keep a balanced portfolio with most of the money allocated between traditional saving options and listed stocks with sound fundamentals. A small fraction may also be used to bet on any emerging volatile asset class like cryptocurrencies. So, conclusively, assuming that the government aid will be enough during times of natural disaster is the biggest mistake that people can make. It's always one's own savings that can save at the time of difficulty. One must choose wisely in a market full of both traditional and volatile instruments. Most money can be parked in stable assets, and a little may be used to bet on emerging assets like Bitcoin or altcoins. And that's it for this video, but if you like what you have discovered today, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and go to kalkinemedia.com for all the latest. I'm Rose Jacobs, thanks for joining me.